Hello, aviation enthusiasts, and welcome back to Histories of Airliners. Today, we're taking a nostalgic journey back to the golden age of aviation. Join us as we explore the history of a true icon, the de Havilland DH.89 Dragon Rapide. This elegant biplane, with its distinctive twin engines and graceful lines, captivated hearts and minds around the world. From its humble beginnings to its enduring legacy, we'll delve into the stories, innovations, and impact of this remarkable aircraft. So buckle up and get ready to soar through the skies of the past. The de Havilland DH.89 Dragon Rapide, a classic biplane airliner, emerged from a lineage of innovative aircraft designs. Its roots trace back to the de Havilland DH.84 Dragon, a twin-engine airliner introduced in 1933. The Dragon Rapide, introduced in 1934, however, was a more efficient and aerodynamic two-engine aircraft, inspired by the design features of the de Havilland 86 Express, a four-engine biplane. The Dragon Rapide offered a comfortable and reliable mode of transport for both passengers and cargo. The Dragon Rapide's debut in 1934 marked the beginning of a remarkable career that spanned decades. Its sturdy construction and versatile design made it a popular choice for airlines and private owners alike. The aircraft's ability to operate from short, unpaved airstrips opened up remote regions, facilitating air travel in areas previously inaccessible. The Dragon Rapide's reliability and ease of maintenance further contributed to its widespread adoption. During World War II, many Dragon Rapides were pressed into military service as the de Havilland Dominee. They served in various roles, including training, transport, and communications. The war years saw the production of additional Dominees to meet the demands of the armed forces. After the war, the Dragon Rapide continued to fly both in military and civilian roles. Its graceful lines and distinctive sound became synonymous with the golden age of aviation. The aircraft's longevity is a testament to its robust design and the dedication of those who maintained and flew it. Even today, a number of Dragon Rapides remain airworthy, allowing their use in excursion flights for tourists and the occasional appearance in media, such as its appearance in an episode of Torchwood and the Spanish Civil War TV movie Dragon Rapide. The DH.89 Dragon Rapide, a classic biplane of the 1930s and 1940s, has left an indelible mark on aviation history, from its humble beginnings as a commercial airliner to its wartime service as a military transport. The Dragon Rapide proved itself to be a versatile and reliable aircraft. Its sleek design, powerful engines, and comfortable cabin made it a favorite among passengers and pilots alike. The Dragon Rapide's legacy lives on today, not only in the hearts of aviation enthusiasts, but also in the form of restored aircraft that continue to fly. These flying monuments serve as a reminder of the ingenuity and craftsmanship that went into the creation of this iconic aircraft. The de Havilland DH.89 Dragon Rapide will forever be remembered as a symbol of aviation excellence.